So in this video, you'll learn how to revert back to the default theme on your Samsung Galaxy A36. So the first step is to access the Galaxy theme store, and you can do this in two ways. One of them is by long pressing on an empty space on your home screen, and then from here, you want to select the option Themes. The second is by navigating to the Settings app, and then in Settings, you want to scroll and select the option Themes. Either way, you'll be redirected to the Galaxy theme store. And then from here, you want to tap on Menu in the bottom right corner of the screen. And under Menu, you want to select My Stuff. It will be split into different categories. So you have themes, wallpapers, icons, and AODs. So in order for you to revert back to the default theme, simply select it under the section Themes, and then tap on Apply. Wait for the theme to be applied. And once it's been applied, you'll be redirected back to the home screen with the default theme, now your new wallpaper, as well as icon style and all sorts of things. And so that's how you can revert back to the default theme on your Galaxy A36. If you have any questions or comments, leave them down below and we'll get back to you.